Hi, my name is Robert over here at Guaranty Chevrolet in Junction City. Right here we have is the 2015 Chevrolet Impala, the LTZ trim level. This is a nice little package. It's got the chrome wheels, it's got the chrome body side moldings, 20-inch alloyed wheels. You come around this end, you got the leather package with the LTZ. You got tons of leg room on this. This is a full-size car. Come around on this side. This one's going to give you the backup camera and your backup sensors, which is really nice. So even if you have the backup camera and you're not looking at it, you get too close to something, you get within 3-4 feet, the sensors will notify you in the instrument cluster that you're getting close to something. Coming in this side, this is a real nice. You have your panoramic sunroof. You got your one in the front and the one in the back up top here. Your sunroof. This model's equipped with heated and air-conditioned seats. You got a full 7.5 inch display screen here. I like this feature about it because it has. Where is it? Oh, this one's got the dual zone air conditioning and heating unit on it. This one also has got a little secret compartment in here. It's kind of nice. You can plug your phone in. You have a USB outlet in here so you can charge your phone while it's working, or you can put stuff in there so nobody can see, and you close it this way. This model comes with your dual zone air conditioning and heating unit. It's got your remote start. It's got your electronic start. And it's a really nice package. The engine in this one is a 2.4 liter, six-speed automatic transmission. And like I say, if you have any questions or you'd love to come down and see this car, my name again is Robert.Rumer from Guaranty Chevrolet here in Junction City.